All right, so I've had a ton of questions about my garage setup, and a lot of people wanted me to do a garage tour. So we're gonna do that for you guys today. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's jump right into this garage tour. So I'm basically working out of this one-car garage in my apartment complex. This isn't a permanent thing. This is kind of just what I have right now. I'm actually working on getting a house and setting up my garage the way I want to set it up. So that's why I'm kind of in this situation that I'm in. But nonetheless, this is working for me. And as you can see, I'm building a bike and a car. So let's start over here on this side of the garage. This is basically my storage area. We got some dirt bike parts right there, the exhaust seat right there, some house stuff, more parts for the bike, my powder coat Cerakote oven, more parts for the bike, more parts for the car and the bike, some other bike stuff, and then we got the motor, coolant, and then this is where I put all my used oil. Nothing crazy over here, basically just storage. Over here, we're running my 2 jacks. That thing's a piece of junk. I'm gonna throw it away here probably today or tomorrow. But we got the Daytona, good jack, crappy jack stands. Over here, we got my workstation, which is primarily for the bikes. As you can see, we got the KX250 completely tore down to bare frame because I went ahead and I started shining that thing up with my aluminum brightener since I do not have a vapor hone, which next garage, we're going to be having a vapor hone, sandblaster, all that good stuff, so I can do everything in-house. Over here, some stuff for my saltwater tank. This is where I keep like random stuff, pipes I can make stuff. My brooms, that one's kind of out because I was cleaning it up. Here we got my cabinet. We got some stuff up here, filter, needs to be washed. Handlebars, razor blade, random stuff. This is where I pretty much keep all of my chemicals, towels, random stuff, my Cerakote, powder coat, shop towels, the radiators for the bike so they don't keep getting all messed up. Brake clean, some of my cases, since I don't have a toolbox in this garage yet. Cleaning stuff, all my trash bags, all that other stuff, blah, blah, blah. My mask with my Louis Vuitton things, looking bougie. Got my glove holder, paper towel holder. That's a must. This also doubles as a backboard for when I'm working over there and I throw stuff in the trash. So that's cool. Got the trash, shop vac, my air compressor that does a lot of work. Use it for all my Cerakoting. Don't have a powder coat gun yet, but that's all gonna change when I get the new house. Suspension, the wheels, swing arm. We got some random stuff. I got the axle box, I guess you want to call it. The thing that the axle blocks came in from Pro Circuit, extra stock sprocket, and extra works connection throttle tube. Got the signed Twitch poster thing from DBK. Huge shout out to Twitch. This is where all my random stuff goes. We're gonna be getting another one of those so I can organize all my stock bolts, so that way it's not all messy like that. And all the other titanium stuff that I'm gonna have. Some stuff hung up on the wall. This is my workbench. Nothing crazy, it's just a cobalt stainless. Easier for me to keep clean. All the stuff for the KX250 build. Over here we have all the titanium stuff, and then this is all the stuff that needs to be ordered. Quick tour. Some more chemicals and stuff when I'm working on motors and stuff. All my sockets that I have here, pliers, blowgun, drill, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, good stuff right there. And then just some random stuff in here, wrenches, crow's feet, more wrenches, heat shrink. Nothing really crazy there. This cobalt stool, hands down, probably one of my favorite things. I can sit because I'm fat and lazy. Got the Tulip Media stuff right there. Some 110 stuff that we're gonna be working on here pretty soon. Yeah, got the whole shot device for the KX250. We got all the bolts that still need to be organized. I got to tear down the rear master cylinder. Got my air hose, my son's little tricycle thing, the shop vac hose. Right here, we got an I think it's an 06 Evo 9. I don't know. I don't remember. This thing's a piece of junk. But this is my storage Evo. So we got extra plastics for the dirt bike, some auto detailing kit for the vacuum, some Tech 10s, gear bag, random stuff. Back here, my ladder. Up here, we got all the plastics for the bike that I'm working on now. Handlebars. Got some sick gauges in this thing. My cooler. Wiring harness, throttle body with the throttle, gas tank, more random stuff. Mercedes that I'm gonna be working on, I have that for. Random moving stuff. And yeah, right there, that's pretty much my garage tour for you guys. Quick, simple, nothing crazy. Next time I do a garage tour, it's gonna be in the new garage. So if you guys wanna see that, hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, I don't care. You guys suck anyways. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next video.